Hello friends, welcome back to Kids Fun and Club, an amazing world of fun and learning with Parikshit and me. So today we are gonna do something unique. No, not unique, but yeah, a black sketch pen drawing. Nothing else, no colors, just a black sketch pen, maybe a pencil, a white paper, and that's all. Today we are gonna draw a very easy drawing of a bunny with a butterfly. Yes, a bunny with a butterfly. A pencil drawing or a black sketch pen drawing of a bunny or a rabbit. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so what do we do start with is the bunny's nose. This is the nose of the bunny. Check it out. Okay. Okay, Parikshit.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay. What does the bunny have special? Long ears.
Especially mine is not looking like a bunny and it's looking like a dog, so I make a dog.
No, make a bunny.
Yeah.
It's okay. It will look like a bunny. Once you make it like a bunny, make the ears. Wait, hold on. It will look like you make it
like it's a running bunny.
Come on. The ears, the eyes, the eyebrows. Are you following me, guys? Okay, let's continue. Now that we are done till here, make the hands. Okay. Okay, Parikshit?
Yeah.
The legs. The tail of the bunny, the other pair of legs,
Get it?
and the butterfly. Make it slowly. Okay, now let's quickly do what?
Shading.
Let's make some grasses. Okay guys, So this is the drawing of
Look.
a bunny with a butterfly and a flower plant. Yeah, that's so beautiful. Okay, you made a carrot? Let me also do that. Wow, that's a bunny with a carrot and a butterfly. Wow, that's so beautiful.
I'm not finished.
You're done? Or you want to do some shading?
No.
I'm done with this drawing of a beautiful bunny, a beautiful rabbit with a carrot and a butterfly and a small flower plant. How are you done? How are you doing? Did you find it a little difficult? If yes, no worries, keep practicing and you will get better than maybe us. Because that is what is important, that you practice and have fun when you learn. And that is why we have Kids Fun Learn Club. And parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club for some more amazing drawings with Parikshit and me. And you can win some exciting goodies at the same time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.